Okay, hello everybody. My name is Kevin Fournier. I'm in the firm that I've set up recently called Kevin Fournier Intellectual Property Legal Services Limited, and I am a freelance intellectual property lawyer for the last 6 months or so. And prior to that, I was at IBM in IBM's intellectual property legal department for the last 25 years, where I really learned a lot about the business of intellectual property, as you can imagine. And I'm very happy to be here at the Cosmonauts event, London IP Week. I've been before several times, and I've spoke while I was in IBM at different events in the past. I've always got a lot of value from it and met a lot of people. And now that I'm off on my own, it's even more important to make contacts and networking, and it's been great so far. It's really been, within 5 minutes, I'd already met 3 or 4 people, and yeah, just the connections and the networking and the learning is just phenomenal. The really good content, the quality of the setup with the room, with the speakers and the video, and people doing the conference from home, some people, and other people doing it live, and that hybrid mix seems to really be working well. And it really is nice to be back here for a live conference again after so long, just being at home, squirreled away, as I'm sure most of you, or all of you were. And it really is nice to be here in person for the first time, and to be back in London. I haven't been here for nearly 2 years, so it's really seems like a different experience from being at home. So yes, it's a great conference, and I encourage you to come to the next event.
Hello, my name is Birgitte Andersen, and I'm the CEO of the Big Innovation Center, and we are an innovation communications consultancy. I've just been a speaker in a panel where we looked at the increasing use of intellectual property rights, patents, and other IP historically, and of course right now there's a big boost in the use of such IP. So my contribution to the panel was mainly in relationship to that one of the major issues in this is the increased strategic use of IP, patents and other IP in order to create value. And I went through areas of the financial rewards, how it helps you also to innovate, build strategic alliances, strategic relationships, and of course trade IP in the marketplace. So I went through this, but we also discussed at length the risks involved in the IP marketplaces. And there we were looking at what are the institutions that need to be in place for a well-functioning marketplace. So I'm an economist, and we came from different perspectives at the panel to this debate.
My name's Nicholas Ferrer. I'm a patent attorney and director at Adams & Jones. We're a full-service patent and trademark attorney firm. I've been delighted to be invited to speak at the event today. We were part of the panel looking at whether increased patent numbers are a positive thing. It's been a pleasure, an unexpected pleasure, to talk and share views with other panel members who I thought might all be the same as me, but it turns out we had economists, we had solicitors, and we had tech startups who all shared views.
Hi there, I'm Neil Berrycloth from Anaqua, based in London. I look after business development for the European area, and we're really pleased to be back here. I think we were here 3 years ago now. It's a great discussion, and it's great to talk to a lot of people in the industry, potential clients. Great to have so many people from large organizations around Europe talking about some pretty diverse subjects. We had some really good conversation around brand management, also some of the challenges with licensing and costing from both sides of from the argument. And yeah, it's lovely to be back in this sort of stimulating environment.
Hello, Olivia Reedy here from Questile. I'm account manager for the UK and Irish markets. So Questile is an IP and innovation solution provider. So we do SaaS services across the innovation cycle. So it's a great opportunity to come here today so we can meet with some of our clients, meet with some new prospects, to hear from some really exciting speakers and get a bit of insight on what's going on in the industry at the moment, and then connect with other people within the sector and have some good discussions. Obviously great to have people in real after a few too long months, and all on Teams. So it's been an amazing event so far. We're at day 1 of 2 days. I'd really encourage people to kind of come along next year. There's been lots of exciting things and lots of people sort of meeting and making contacts, and networking's been really, really useful. And yeah, I'd say out of all the events, it's been the best one so far.
I'm Neil Crabb, I'm the CEO of Frontier IP Group PLC. We're quoted on the London Stock Exchange, and I've got the pleasure of chairing this year's event. It's been a fantastic mix of engagement of players across the whole of the IP landscape. Some really fantastic speakers, some great panel sessions. We've even had some live debating between some of the commercial majors going head to head over terms of licensing and such like, plus insights into issues of the day. There's a fantastic opportunity to network as well and really mingle with both the speakers and with fellow attendees at the event. Top quality, I would say, for me, first time back at an event for a couple of years, and well worth it. There's definitely something to be gained by engaging directly with people that really doesn't come across in the Zoom world, and if you're not here, you're missing out, so make sure you come next year.
Hi, Adrian House, Nokia. Sure, well, thank you to London IP Week for inviting me here. It's nice to go to the first conference, I think, in person for a while. So yeah, no, it's brilliant. I think particularly I've enjoyed the differences between panel sessions and introductions to different products here, but particularly the focus on sustainability. So yeah. Yeah, no, it's been a great day so far. I'm looking forward to drinks later.
Hello, I'm Richard Nugent. I'm from Matheson Square Consulting. We're a firm of IP commercialization consultants based across the UK and Europe. So it's great being back here at London IP Week. It's been a really enjoyable day, getting to know new people, and also reconnecting with old friends. So from that perspective, the face-to-face, the network building, the collaborations, the continuation of that's been really a fantastic time. I think also the quality of the sessions and the variety of the speakers across the day has been very useful. So all in all, I think it's been a very solid event, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the event, and indeed to other events in the future.
Hi, so I'm Josh. I'm the Business Development Manager at Grantor, and we support innovative businesses to reclaim 25% back on their tax rebates with regards to their innovative products. It's fantastic to be back in a room talking to people again here at the IP Week, and been really good to listen to some interesting debates and meet some businesses that we haven't yet heard of, and looking forward to hopefully working with some of them in the future.